What if the day when you were born holds the secret to becoming a millionaire? Sounds crazy, right? Could the stars and numbers in your birth date shape your financial future? Let's find out. Welcome to Inspiring Arc. Today we're diving into a fascinating topic: how your birth date might hold the secret to becoming a millionaire. Does the alignment of the stars and the numbers in your birth date set the stage for your financial future? Before we begin, and make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our upcoming explorations. Now let's dive. Understanding numerology and life path numbers. Numerology is the study of numbers and their symbolic meanings, suggesting that each number carries unique vibrations and energies influencing our lives. To find your life path number, start with your full birth date and reduce it to a single digit. For example, if you were born on June 20th, 1990, you add 6 for June plus 2 plus 0 for the 20th plus 1 plus 9 plus 9 plus 0 for 1990, which gives you 27. Then add 2 plus 7, equaling 9. In this case, your life path number is 9. Each life path number is associated with certain characteristics, personality traits, and even career tendencies. Some numbers are linked to creativity, others to leadership, and some to innovation. Numerologists believe that understanding your life path number can provide insights into your potential for financial success and reveal the best paths to pursue your dreams. Exploring life path numbers and financial success. Now that you know how to calculate your life path number, you might wonder how this connects to wealth. The idea behind numerology is that each number has unique attributes, and these attributes can influence your chances of financial success. Let's take a closer look at what your birth date might say about your path to wealth. Life path number 1. Born on the 1st, 10th, 19th, or 28th. Individuals with life path number 1 are known for their leadership skills and determination. They tend to be entrepreneurs or innovators, driven to achieve their goals. It's no surprise that many successful business leaders have this life path number. If you fall into this category, your ambition could be your greatest asset in building wealth. Life path number 2, born on the 2nd, 11th, 20th, or 29th. Life path number 2 indicates diplomacy, cooperation, and harmony. Those born on these dates often excel in teamwork, making them excellent collaborators. They may find success in partnerships or careers that require strong interpersonal skills. If you're here, your ability to connect with others could open doors to financial opportunities. Life path number 3, born on the 3rd, 12th, 21st, or 30th. People with life path number 3 are often artistic, expressive, and full of innovative ideas. They might excel in creative industries like entertainment, writing, or design. If you're part of this group, your creativity could be the key to unlocking wealth. Life path number 4, born on the 4th, 13th, 22nd, or 31st. These birth dates align with life path number 4, representing discipline, organization, and hard work. Those in this group tend to be reliable and excel at building strong foundations. They often find success in fields that require structure and attention to detail. If you're born on one of these dates, your persistence could lead to financial stability and growth. Life path number 5, born on the 5th, 14th, or 23rd. Life path number 5 is associated with adventure and freedom. People born on these dates are often risk takers, drawn to careers that allow them to explore and experiment. They might thrive in sales, travel, or entrepreneurial ventures. If you're in this group, your willingness to take risks could lead to substantial rewards. Life path number 6, born on the 6th, 15th, or 24th. This number signifies compassion and responsibility. Those born on these dates often excel in roles that involve caring for others, such as teaching or healthcare. If you're part of this group, your sense of responsibility and empathy could guide you towards success in professions that value these traits. Life path number 7, born on the 7th, 16th, or 25th. Life path number 7 is about spirituality and introspection. People born on these dates are often deep thinkers seeking knowledge and understanding. They might excel in fields that require analysis or research. If you're in this group, your quest for wisdom could lead to unique financial opportunities. Life path number 8, born on the 8th, 17th, or 26th. Known for ambition and power, those with life path number 8 are often drawn to business and leadership roles. They seek success and are willing to work hard for it. If you're part of this group, your ambition could drive you toward wealth and prosperity. Numbers that gives direct wealth and prosperity. Now let's explore some specific numbers that are believed to attract wealth and luck. Number 8. The number 8 is often referred to as the money number in numerology. It symbolizes balance, success, and material wealth. In Chinese culture, the number 8 is particularly lucky because its pronunciation sounds like the word for prosperity. People with the number 8 in their numerology chart are seen as hardworking, ambitious, and capable of achieving great financial success. Number 6. Number 6 is associated with harmony, love, and family. It also has strong ties to financial stability and success in business. People with this number tend to have a good sense of responsibility and a nurturing nature, which helps them build and maintain wealth. Number 9. Number 9 is linked with completion, humanitarianism, and wisdom. While it may not seem like an obvious choice for wealth, people with this number often find success through their compassion and generosity. They attract luck and prosperity by helping others and making a positive impact on the world. Number 1. Number 1 is all about leadership, independence, and new beginnings. Individuals with this number are often pioneers and innovators. Their drive and determination help them create wealth and seize new opportunities. They are natural risk takers, which can lead to great rewards. Special master numbers 11, 22, and 33. Master numbers hold a special place in numerology due to their powerful vibrations. These numbers are 11, 22, and 33. They carry higher spiritual significance and can bring extraordinary luck and success. Number 11. Known as the spiritual messenger, this number brings intuitive insight and creativity. People with this number can achieve wealth by following their intuition and bringing their visionary ideas to life. Number 22. The master builder number, 22, has the potential to turn dreams into reality. It combines practicality with vision, making it one of the most powerful numbers for achieving financial success and long-term wealth. Number 33. Known as the master teacher, 33 resonates with compassion and selflessness. People with this number often find wealth through their dedication to helping others and their commitment to higher principles. How to use these numbers for personal benefits, growth, and happiness. Knowing your special numbers is just the first step. Here are some practical ways to incorporate them into your life to attract wealth and luck. 1. Personal and business decisions. Use your life path number and other significant numbers to guide your personal and business decisions. For instance, if your life path number is 8, focus on career opportunities that involve leadership and management. If you have a strong 22 presence, consider ventures that allow you to build and create. 2. Setting goals. Align your goals with the vibrations of your special numbers. If you resonate with number 6, set goals that involve nurturing relationships and creating a harmonious environment. This alignment can help you stay motivated and attract positive energies. 3. Financial planning. Incorporate your lucky numbers into your financial planning. For example, if 8 is your lucky number, you might choose to invest in projects that start or end in 8. This can be a fun and symbolic way to align your financial decisions with your numerological strengths. Daily affirmations. Use affirmations that incorporate your special numbers. For example, if 22 is your number, you might say, "I am a master builder of my financial destiny." Repeating these affirmations can help reinforce positive beliefs and attract wealth and luck. Numerology in action. Real-life examples of successful person. Numerology isn't just theoretical. Many successful people have used the principles of numerology to guide their lives. Bill Gates, born on October 28, 1955, Bill Gates has a life path number of 4, 1 plus 0 plus 2 plus 8 plus 1 plus 9 plus 5 plus 5 or 31, then 3 plus 1 or 4. Number 4 is associated with hard work, practicality, and building a solid foundation, all traits that Gates exemplifies in his career. Oprah Winfrey. Born on January 29, 1954, Oprah Winfrey's life path number is 4, 1 plus, 2 plus, 9 plus, 1 plus, 9 plus, 5 plus, 4 stars 31, then 3 plus, 1 plus 4. Again, we see the influence of number 4 in her life, showing dedication and persistence. Now let us find out the lucky numbers for 2024. This number brings extreme luck and wealth. Now that you have your personal year number, let's explore the lucky numbers for 2024 that can help you attract prosperity and wealth. Number 8. The power of abundance. The number 8 is often considered the most powerful number for attracting wealth. Its shape resembles the infinity symbol, representing endless potential and abundance. In numerology, 8 is associated with success, financial security, and material wealth. This year, the energy of 8 is particularly strong, making it a prime number to focus on if you want to enhance your financial situation. Number 6. Harmony and balance. Number 6 is another significant number this year, representing harmony, balance, and responsibility. While it might not seem as directly related to wealth as 8, 6 plays a crucial role in maintaining a stable and prosperous life. It encourages you to create a balanced approach to your finances, ensuring long-term security and growth. Number 3. Creativity and communication. Number 3 is associated with creativity, self-expression, and communication. This year, the energy of 3 can help you think outside the box and find innovative ways to increase your wealth. Whether it's starting a new business, investing in creative ventures, or leveraging your communication skills, the number 3 can guide you to prosperity. Number 9. Completion and wisdom. Number 9 represents completion, wisdom, and humanitarianism. It's a powerful number for those looking to achieve financial goals that benefit not only themselves, but also others. The energy of 9 can help you make wise investments, complete important financial projects, and attract wealth through altruistic endeavors. Practical tips to harness the power of lucky numbers. Knowing your lucky numbers is just the first step. Here are some practical tips to incorporate these numbers into your daily life and attract prosperity and wealth. 1. Set financial goals with lucky numbers. Align your financial goals with your lucky numbers. For example, if your personal year number is 8, set goals that reflect the abundance and success associated with this number. Write down 8 specific financial goals you want to achieve this year, such as saving a certain amount of money, investing in a new venture, or increasing your income by 8%. 2. Use lucky numbers in daily decisions. Incorporate your lucky numbers into everyday financial decisions. For instance, if 6 is your lucky number, consider making investments or financial plans that involve the number 6. This could be as simple as setting aside $60 each week for savings or investing in projects that resonate with the harmony and balance of number 6. 3. Visualize success with lucky numbers. Visualization is a powerful tool in numerology. Spend a few minutes each day visualizing your financial success while focusing on your lucky numbers. Imagine the number 8 glowing and radiating wealth, or see the number 3 sparking creative ideas that lead to financial gain. This practice helps reinforce your goals and attracts positive energy. Conclusion. Numbers hold a special place in our lives, and understanding their vibrations can open doors to wealth and luck. Whether it's through your life path number or other significant numbers, you can use numerology to align yourself with positive energies and achieve your goals. Ultimately, the most powerful force in your journey to success is you. Your dedication, resilience, and willingness to learn will determine where you end up. So, while it's fun to explore numerology, always keep your feet on the ground and focus on building a solid foundation for your future. That's a wrap on our exploration of numerology and the potential connections between birth dates and wealth. We hope you found it as intriguing as we did. If you enjoyed this journey through the cosmic world of numbers, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our next episode. We'd also love to hear from you in the comments. Tell us what you think about numerology and whether you believe it has a role in shaping our financial futures. Have you experienced any connections between your birth date and your journey to success? We want to know your stories. We hope you enjoyed this exploration of special numbers and their impact on wealth and luck. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Let us know in the comments if you have any experiences with numerology or special numbers. Until next time, stay lucky and prosperous. Remember, while numerology can be a fascinating guide, the most crucial factor in achieving success is your effort, determination, and resilience. Stay curious, work hard, and keep exploring new possibilities. Thanks for joining us on Inspiring Arc. We look forward to seeing you in the next episode.